We are going to do the same thing with this C chord here. That's one of the chords in the song. There's 3 chords in the song, G, C, and D. And for this C chord, we need to play the stock standard C chord. There's no, it's not like the G chord that we had, we only used one finger. We need to use all 3 fingers for this C chord. Okay, so hopefully you have taken the C chord course and know how to play this chord pretty well, I'm hoping. All right, and if you didn't, go back and I believe way back at the beginning I have, in some of those courses, I have the C chord. If you're having a problem locating it, just email me at acousticguitarvideos@gmail.com and I'll send you that course, okay, for the C chord. But the C chord, the only difference is instead of a 6 right here for the playing on the 6th string, okay, we're starting with the 5th string, okay, for the C chord. And as you could see by the tablature, if you are holding down the C chord, you're automatically playing these notes here. 3 frets up on the 5th string, 2 frets up on the 4th string, right here. Whoops. Open on the 3rd string, and then the 1st fret on the 2nd string, the B string. And then we're just working our way backwards. So that sounds like this. It's and I'm gonna just play this for you. That's one measure of the C chord. So the important thing is being able to hold the C chord properly and then just doing the pattern. Now if you look at this pattern, and if I just go real close here with the guitar, you could see that it's just thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, okay? And there's 6 notes in the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes. So I hope that makes sense, all right? So I want to just play this. I hope you have your guitar with you. We're holding a C chord with the left hand, and we're going real slow. We're just going to go 1 string at a time, real slow. Okay, ready? Just real slow. Here we go. One more time. Thumb, thumb, index, middle finger, index, thumb. Okay? The strings that we're plucking is 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Once again, we're going this direction, and then after we hit that 2nd string, we're just going back with the same fingers that we played those notes before. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and chant this out, as I call it. Put the metronome on real slow. I have it on 44 right now, and we're going to double time the metronome here, so that we could play each one of the notes at the double time speed. And what I mean by that is the metronome will be playing all of these notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and, instead of just the downbeats for the metronome. Okay, so that's called double timing the metronome. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Hopefully you understand the pattern and you can play along with this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. take a rest. Here we go again. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Those are the strings we pluck. Here we go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Little rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. One more time with this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count it out here, right here. 1 and 2 and 3 and. One more time with the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and. We're going to speed up the click. That was at 44. I'm going to move it to about 50 here. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay. What I want to do now is let's speed up the click a little bit more. And if you have your metronome, and I keep saying the same thing, if you have your metronome or you have an online metronome, practice what we just did and try to speed up the click a little faster, because the picking pattern is much faster than that. Okay, so try to gradually build up some speed, and don't be afraid to stay there. Okay, so I want to put the click up a little bit more, and what we're going to do is let's just play the C chord. We'll keep playing the measure over and over again. So after this note right here, on the sixth beat of this measure, we're going to just go back and play this, just keep repeating over and over again, okay, like we did the last little lesson. So here we go, a little faster on the metronome, and I'm gonna go count out the strings we pluck. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Five, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you're playing along with me. Okay, let's move the click up a little faster. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, right, a little faster. I have the metronome. If I could see this, it's at, you know, I can't see it. It looks like it's 88. Okay, 1, 2, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what I want to do is, let's go back to the 44, and we're going to go to the next page here, and we have the flow chart for the D chord. Okay, so here's our D chord, and once again I hope you worked on a D chord, and forming the chord is going to automatically play all these notes. So just making the D chord is going to automatically create these correct numbers here. So it's 0. These are the where the you know, looking at the tab, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and the pattern is exactly the same. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is, let me just shrink this down a little bit so I could see the whole thing. Okay, there we go. It's thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Okay, now it's identical to what we did with the C chord. Okay, now the G chord, we skipped the string. Okay, we were here. Okay, we skipped the 5th string. The C chord, we played all 4 notes in a row. We didn't skip anything. We just went from one note to the next and then back. Same thing with the D. Okay, we're starting on the 4th string. 4. I'm going to call out the strings. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So if you've got this pattern down for the C chord, it's just changing. If you could see my right hand, here was the C. We started here. The D starts on the D note. C starts on the C note. Okay, we're playing our root note, our bass note first for that chord. Okay, so you got to be able to form a D chord. You want the whole D chord here. Hopefully you've worked on that. I've had a lot of lessons with that already. So let's go ahead and put the, let me show this to you one more time. Strings, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. So let's put this on 44, and this is going to be much exactly like the C chord as far as the technique goes, because there's not really much difference other than the C chord and the changing the strings. Okay, real slow. We'll start off. 3, here we go. And we'll play this all together. Four, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Those are the strings we pluck. Fingers, thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Now we'll do the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and we're just going back and forth in this measure. 6 notes to the measure. 1 note, 2 note, 3 note, 4 note, 5 note, 6 notes per measure, and then we're repeating it again just for this exercise. I hope you're playing along with me. All right, we're going to speed things up here. I just moved up the click a little bit here. Here we go. Let's go a little faster. 3, 4. A little faster. 1, 2, here we go. All right, so practice that with the metronome, different speeds and stuff. By the way, I had that on 92, the last little bit. Technically speaking, the song is a little faster, obviously, but we're going to be working our way up to speed with that. So don't be afraid to play this slow. And like I said before, if you need any help, just email me at acousticguitarvideos@gmail.com. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, I hope you're having some fun here. We're on our way.